Welcome to the channel, Passive Rise. We are so excited to have you here and dive into the world of high-ticket niche photography and videography. Whether you are an aspiring creator, a business owner, or a photographer looking to expand your skill set, this video will guide you on mastering specialized fields like commercial drone operation, product photography for luxury brands, and corporate event videography. These high-end services are incredibly rewarding and can bring in a significant income if done right. So, sit back, grab a notebook, and let's start the journey to elevate your photography and videography skills to the next level. Before we dive into each niche, it's important to understand what makes these high-ticket services valuable. High-ticket niches are essentially areas where clients expect premium quality work and are willing to pay top dollar for it. In commercial drone operation, for example, businesses such as real estate agencies, construction firms, and tourism companies need breathtaking aerial shots to make their projects stand out. These industries rely on high-quality images and video that only professional-grade equipment and skilled operators can deliver. Therefore, the first step to mastering this field is understanding both the technology and the demand behind it. In this first section, let's talk about commercial drone operation. Drones have revolutionized many industries by offering unique perspectives that were once only achievable through expensive helicopters. To succeed in this field, you need to become highly skilled at operating drones, understanding local regulations, and producing captivating shots. Start by becoming familiar with the types of drones available on the market, such as the DJI Phantom 4 Pro or the Inspire 2. Both of these drones are known for their stability and high-quality camera capabilities, making them great choices for capturing stunning aerial footage. Once you have chosen the right drone for your needs, it is important to know the local laws and regulations surrounding drone operations. In many countries, commercial drone operators must be licensed, and there are strict rules regarding where and how you can fly. The Federal Aviation Administration, FAA, in the United States, for example, requires drone pilots to pass a certification exam in order to legally fly drones for commercial purposes. Additionally, you should always be aware of no-fly zones, airspace restrictions, and privacy concerns. Getting certified is not only necessary for legal compliance, but it also helps establish your credibility with clients. Next up, let's talk about equipment and preparation. The key to commercial drone operation is ensuring that your drone and all accessories are in optimal condition. Before each flight, check the battery levels, the camera lens, and the propellers for any damage. Also, make sure to have extra batteries, memory cards, and a backup drone with you on location just in case something goes wrong. Planning your shots ahead of time is also essential, as drones often have a limited flight time due to battery life. A good practice is to scout the location before the shoot, noting potential obstacles such as trees, buildings, or power lines, which could interfere with your flight. Another important aspect of commercial drone work is composition. Aerial photography and videography are all about capturing the grandeur of a scene while maintaining a visually appealing balance. Pay attention to the lighting, shadows, and angles, and think about how each shot will complement the overall message you are trying to convey. In commercial work, these shots are not just for aesthetic purposes, they are intended to sell a product, promote a service, or showcase a property. By understanding how to frame your shots and use the drone's movements effectively, you can create dynamic footage that will leave a lasting impression on your clients. Once you've mastered commercial drone operation, let's move on to another high-ticket niche, product photography for luxury brands. Luxury products require a different level of attention to detail than your average product shoot. Brands in this category want to convey exclusivity, elegance, and high quality in every image. This means that lighting, composition, and styling are incredibly important. Whether you are shooting jewelry, watches, fashion items, or luxury cars, your goal is to create photographs that make the product appear irresistible to potential buyers. One of the first steps in product photography is setting up the right lighting. Luxury items require soft, diffused light to highlight their finest details without creating harsh shadows. Using soft boxes or diffusers will help achieve this look. Natural light can also work wonders, but be sure to consider the time of day and the direction of the light to avoid unwanted reflections. For items such as jewelry, ring lights, or LED panels can provide the perfect touch to bring out the shine and sparkle that these products are known for. Never underestimate the importance of good lighting. It's the foundation of all great product photography. Another essential aspect of luxury product photography is composition. You need to be mindful of how each product is positioned within the frame, ensuring it stands out but also feels harmonious within the scene. Take the time to experiment with different angles, backgrounds, and props that complement the product. For instance, a watch might look best with a simple black background to create contrast, or you might use elegant fabric and textured materials to enhance the image's mood. Be mindful of reflections and make sure nothing distracts from the focal point, which is the product itself. Incorporating lifestyle elements into your product shots is another technique that can elevate the quality of your images. While it's important to capture the product on its own, showing the item in use can help create a story around the brand. For example, a luxury handbag might be photographed being worn by a model in an upscale setting, or a designer watch might be shot on a person's wrist in a refined environment. These lifestyle shots give potential customers a glimpse into the world of the brand and help them visualize the product as part of their own life. Next, let's shift gears to corporate event videography, another high-ticket niche. Corporate events, such as conferences, galas, product launches, and meetings, require skilled videographers who can capture the essence of the event while maintaining a professional tone. The footage you produce will often be used for promotional purposes, internal use, or future marketing campaigns. These videos must reflect the company's image and highlight the event's most important moments, all while maintaining a polished, high-quality look. When it comes to corporate event videography, preparation is key. You need to communicate with the event organizers in advance to understand the key moments and important people you should focus on during the event. Whether it's a speech, a product demonstration, or an award ceremony, knowing where to be at the right time will make all the difference. It is also important to check the event's lighting beforehand and had backup lighting equipment on hand in case the venue's lighting doesn't meet your needs. A good videographer is always prepared and anticipates the unexpected. One of the most crucial aspects of capturing corporate events is sound. In many cases, you'll be recording speeches, interviews, or presentations that require clear, high-quality audio. Invest in high-quality microphones, such as lapel mix or shotgun mix, to ensure that every word is captured crisply. It's also essential to have a backup audio recording device, as you don't want to risk missing crucial sound during important moments. Pay attention to background noise, such as crowd chatter or music, and adjust your equipment accordingly to capture the best audio possible. Editing plays a huge role in corporate event videography as well. After the event, you'll need to review hours of footage, select the best shots, and piece together a cohesive video that tells the story of the event. When editing, focus on pacing, ensuring the video flows smoothly and keeps the audience engaged. Add graphics, transitions, and titles when necessary to enhance the presentation, but always maintain a professional tone. The final product should be polished, easy to watch, and reflect the professionalism of the company hosting the event. To conclude this tutorial, I want to emphasize that mastering high-ticket niche photography And videography takes time, dedication, and a deep understanding of both the technical and creative aspects of the craft. Whether you choose to specialize in commercial drone operation, luxury product photography, or corporate event videography, always strive to improve your skills and stay updated on the latest industry trends. With the right tools, mindset, and approach, you can build a successful business in these lucrative niches and attract high-paying clients. Thank you for watching this video on high-ticket niche photography and videography. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel Passive Rise for more content. Your support helps us grow, and we truly appreciate it. If you have any questions or want to share your thoughts, please leave a comment in the section below, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Keep practicing, keep learning, and most importantly, keep rising to the top.